Today topic is SolidWorks basic. Okay, SolidWorks basic means suppose go to the part modeling first. Go to the part modeling. Then here how to go part modeling? File, new. Okay, this one is part and then okay. Okay, so now part model is open here. Okay, next there are three plane. Suppose front plane, top plane and right plane. Okay, suppose front plane, go to the front plane and then normal to. Okay, so today is the first class of the SolidWorks. Okay, so everyone must concentrate and follow one by one video. So suppose create here, suppose front plane and then normal to. So now this one is coming in the front. Okay, so next suppose create here one sketch. Okay, so that is the sketch icon. So first we can create here sketch. Suppose this is the line, so just click here. Okay, click here, click here. Okay, so that is the line. You can put dimension. This one is 44 here, so suppose 50. So now this one is 50. Okay, and suppose 50 and then tab, suppose 45-degree angle. So now this one is 45-degree angle. Okay, so that is the main thing. So now just click here. Okay, and then escape. Also go to the line. So now this one is as sketch. If it is choose here horizontal, so now so that is the parameter. Suppose here 20 enter. Okay, so now this one is 20. Okay, so that this line is 20. So that is pre-dimension, means before you create you just put it the dimension, or you can post dimension also. Yeah, that is the smart dimension. Okay, so here go to the line. So now this one is suppose vertical, so suppose give it here 50 enter. Okay, so now this one is 50. Okay, so that is the 50 distance. Clear? So that is the 50 distance. Next here similar procedure, center line. Same procedure, just click here and click here, click here, click here. So that is the center line. Okay, and then escape. Next is suppose midpoint line. Suppose go to here midpoint line, just click here and click here. So now this one is midpoint line and then escape it. So now this one is midpoint line. Okay, then here suppose rectangle. Suppose there are 5 types of rectangle. Okay, so just click here and click here. So that is the x and y value just showing here. Okay, so you can put it dimension here also. Suppose x parameter, suppose this one is minus 121, so here give it here minus 150. So now this one is minus 150. Okay, so that x value you can change from here also. Okay, so that is one type of rectangle. Next here center rectangle, so just click in the center and click here. So that is center rectangle. Okay, so this one means number 1 click, this 2 means number 2 click. Okay, so that is the main thing. Next one is suppose 3-point corner rectangle. Just click here, click here and click here. So that is 3-point corner rectangle. Okay, 3-point corner rectangle. Next one is 3-point center rectangle. So just click here, click here and click here. So that is 3-point center rectangle. Okay, next is parallelogram. Just click here and that is the parallelogram option. So just click here. So that is the parallelogram. You can change angle as per your requirement, but in case of rectangle, so this one should be 90 degree. Okay, this one should be 90 degree. Okay, next is suppose state slot. So just state slot, there are 1, 2 and 3. So first click and then this is the main line, this is the second click and this is the radius showing here. So that is the third click. Okay, so that is the third click. Next one is center point state slot. Okay, which one is center point? So first click is the center point and then click here and then give it radius. So that is center point state slot. Okay, next is 3-point arc slot. So suppose click here and here click here and click here. So that is 3-point arc slot. Okay, so that is 3-point arc slot. Next one is, suppose click here 3-point, 1 click, 2 click, and here 3 click, and number 1 4 click. Okay, so 4 times click here. Okay, so that is this type of shape you can create easily. Next, how to zoom in zoom out? By scroll you can zoom in zoom out, okay, by mouse. And if you press Ctrl and scroll, so now this one is pen. Ctrl plus scroll, that is pen. Okay, and here shift and scroll, so that is also zoom in zoom out. Shift and press scroll, so that is zoom in zoom out. Okay, next one is, suppose here circle, so just click here and click here. 2 points is required. If it is choose here, so that is 3 point, 1 2 and 3, so that is 3-point circle is created here. Okay, next one is suppose just center point arc, so just click here, click here and click here, so that is center point arc. Next one is suppose tangent arc, just click here and click here, so that is tangent arc, escape. Then suppose 3-point arc, okay, just click here and click here, so that is 3-point arc. Okay, you can create 3-point arc here. Okay, so next is, okay, next is suppose create here arc. Okay, next is suppose tangent arc, so tangent arc already created. Then suppose select this one, that one and this one. Next one is polygon. Okay, just click here and click here, so that is polygon. You can change polygon parameter is this one, suppose 6, so that is polygon parameter. Okay, you can change. Then here spline, suppose select here, okay, select here, so that is spline. Okay, and then escape it. So now this one is spline created here. Then style spline means suppose click on the vertex spline passing through the midpoint. Okay, then right click select, so now this one. Next is equation driven curve. Okay, equation driven curve, suppose if put here equation, suppose straight line equation or anything, so that is equation driven curve. Okay, if you have equation, just put it here, so that is equation driven curve, create here. Okay, then ellipse, suppose click here, click here and click another. Okay, so that is ellipse. Okay, next is partial ellipse. Just click here and then suppose, so that is the partial ellipse created here. Okay, next suppose parabola, so now this one is parabola. Okay, so that is parabola created here. Okay, so that is parabola. Next one is conic, just click here, so that is conic. Okay, conic and write it. Then suppose here sketch fillet. Okay, after that you can create sketch fillet. So sketch fillet, suppose just select here and select here. Okay, so that is sketch fillet, you can create easily. Suppose I'll erase all the things first, then you can create suppose one rectangle, which is this one. Okay, and then fillet, suppose select this one and select that one, so 10 is the radius, and then you can select this type of fillet easily. Okay, so that is fillet. And then chamfer, just select this one and select that one, so now this one is chamfer. By default 10 and 10 is the chamfer distance. Okay, next you can put smart dimension by any dimension. Okay, so this is the smart dimension, just click here, suppose this one is 120, suppose give it here 150, so now this one becomes 150. Okay, this one becomes 150. Then here suppose create one circle, and suppose create one circle here, and smart dimension, just click here, so that is dimension. Okay, suppose 100, give it here 100, so now this one is 100. Okay, next is suppose text, just click here, and just write it here text. Okay, so that is the text. Okay, enter. Okay, so that is the text option. Text text is created here. Okay, so that is, next is point. So now this one is point created here. Okay, so that is the point. Escape it, and then trim. Okay, how to create trim? Suppose create here one this type of line. Okay, and then go to the trim, here trim option. So trim, just go to the power trim, and suppose click here, click here. So now this one is power trim created here. Okay, then suppose corner. Okay, just undo it, and then go to the trim option, and then corner. Suppose just click it here and click here. So now this one is corner. Okay, corner means those line you are selected. Okay, so this one remain here. Okay, another two line will be deleted. Okay, then create this type of drawing. Suppose here this is the one line, and suppose this is the one line, this is the one line here, this one is another line here, this one is another line. Okay, then here trim. Okay, trim, just trim away. Okay, so suppose select this one and select that one. Okay, and then select this one. So now this one is trim. Okay, so that is the main thing. So this type of drawing. Okay, next control Z, control Z, control Z, then extend. Okay, extend. Sorry, under team there are another option, team outside, team away outside. So just select this one, and now this one is outside team. Okay, outside team. Okay, and then suppose undo it. Next is suppose trim, next trim to closet. Okay, so suppose select this one. So now this one is close. Okay, closet trim. Okay, next is suppose extend. Okay, extend. Suppose create one line here, suppose create one line here, and then extend. So now this one is extend. Okay, so now this one is extend. So that is extend entities. Okay, next one is suppose extend up to that. Okay, so in this video there have a this type of t up to extend we will cover. Okay, next video SketchUp, suppose convert entity, offset entity, mirror, okay, pattern, move entity, all are covered. Okay, so all of you I think are clear up to that. Okay, so everyone practice it as per your requirement.